So hi everyone, my name is Avner and today we're going to learn about Python. But first of all, before we learn about it, what's coding? Coding is all around the world, okay? So what it understands is 0, 1 inside the computer. So 0 is off and 1 is on. This is called the binary code. Now let's go back to Python. Now what's Python? Python is one of the fastest programming languages out there, and some are JavaScript, C++, C, Java, but they're one of them. And it's for beginners. You can start doing Python right now. It's so fun to learn Python. It's so fun to do. It doesn't matter if you make errors. It's okay. You keep on trying until you be a pro in Python. Now, let's talk about what does Python do in computer. So let's say I'm writing something like alphabet, okay, on the computer. Now this is gonna send it to Python. Now Python is gonna send it to the computer by 0, 1. 0 and 1. You know what that means. Part of the binary code. Now computer, it's gonna give it back to Python by 0, 1. Now Python's gonna give it back to the human, which is me, by my language, if it's English or whatever. Okay? So that's what it does. And this is called a mediator. So Python's the mediator. Yes, it is. Now let's go to the very basics of Python, which are called strings. So strings are nothing but collection of characters and they need double quotes. So let's say I write print bracket after quotation, print bracket quotation marks after quotation marks bracket. Output is after. Now let me show you one example of that. Okay, so this is Python ideally. You can use this Python, it has no internet. You can use it anywhere you go. So print, bracket, quotation marks, after, close bracket. Now if I run this code, you know what the output is. I just straight away told you it. It's after. Yeah, see, it's after. So if I just move this away, okay, I'm gonna write now another code called print a bracket. Now I'm gonna write my name is Avner. Period. Quotation marks bracket. Now I want to run the code. It's gonna print both of these. Okay. See Avner. My name is Avner. Now I'll give you one more example. Print bracket quotation marks bracket. This number here, you see the number 23? This will be in our next topic. See, Avner, my name is Avner, period, 23. Simple. Now, we know what strings are. We use them in our daily life. Like strings are A, ABC, Avner, all of those are strings. Those are one of them. Those are one of the examples. Now, let's go to something called integers. So you know we did print quotation marks 23 here, right? As a string. But this is actually, I don't need that. This is called integers. So integers are nothing but their whole numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, all of those, 23. Those are what integers are. Double quotes at all. They need no quotes. They just need this. As you can see here, print bracket 23 bracket. Now, you know what it means. It's just going to print the same thing. So it's going to print everything else. Like same thing like how you use that for the quotation marks. Okay, run the code. Yeah, see? After my name is after period 23. Okay. Now I'll write another example of one. Let's say I write 1. That's like a huge number. I'll just write that. See, after my name is after period 23 and that big number. Okay? Those are what integers are usually. Now, let's talk about floats. So what are floats first of all? Floats are nothing but their decimal numbers. So decimal numbers like 0 0.5, 0.5, 0.4, 8.5, 1.5, 10.1, 9.0, or 9.1, 8.5. All of those are what float numbers are. Floats. They need double quotes too. They need no quotes, like how integers have. So 4.5, 660. This is how much I'm gonna write. You already know what the output is, so it's easy. Okay. Now after my name is after period 23 4.587096. So those are what exactly float numbers are. Let's show another example of it. 2.3. Oh, 34. That's called 34. Because that's how we read decimals. So like 1.99, that's how we read it. So after my name is after, so exactly, this is what a float is in teacher string. Okay, that's what they are. Now if I add a decimal here, go, and same thing. Okay, our next step is of this data type is called boolets. Bool, B-O-O-L, the short form of that. So what is boolets or bool, which is a short form? It is true and false. Okay? So let's say I write here print bracket. Of course they need quotation marks because that's a string too. True, all right, and false. Okay, you already know what the output is, right? Alright, just go here. Yeah, another way to run the code is function F5 int. Yeah, see? True and false. We got all the data types. All the 4 data types. True, false, which is boolean, float, and strings, and integer. We got all of them. Now let's say I want to add some numbers. How do I do that? Okay, so here's the first way I can do this. Okay, I can do 2 plus 7, which equals, sorry. Okay, you guys won't see, but you can see here, it's 69. Okay? But there's a completely different way to do this. So there's actually 3 ways, but there's actually 4 ways. We'll learn about the 4th way later on. So let's say I write a equals 5. Now my other variable is called b6. Total sum is my variable. I want to find the addition. I'm not writing 5 plus 6 there, because how can Python understand 5? It only understands that in binary code. Now, so I have to write here a plus b. Now I write print bracket control C. You can use this to save your time. Just do that. Oh, right there. Bracket, run the code. Yeah, you can see here it's 11. So, wait. Kill this code. Okay, total sum. Now there's another way of actually doing this too. Now I'm just gonna write here a6, get this a plus b out of here. No more total sum. A plus b. This is the third way of doing it. Run function f right there. Oh, I need to kill this code. Yes. Now let me run the code again. Yeah, exactly. See, 11. Same thing as printing, 11. I want to do now subtraction here. How do I do that? It's very simple. Just do that. Oh, instead function F5 enter. This is how you do it. See? Now get this program out, and now I'm gonna do times function F5 enter. So that's how you run the code for IDLE. Now you see, look what it's printing, 30. Now I want to do divide. So function F5 enter. See? Now let's say I want to do this, 2 stars. Means exponent, means 2 by the power of 3 equals 8, 1 by the power of 10, 10 by the power of 1, 2 by the power of 10, 10 by the power of 2. That's what it means. Okay. Yeah, you can see that number clearly. Oh, wait, run it again? I just need to kill this program, that's why. Okay. Wait, what? Yeah. X. Yeah, right there. X. Okay? Like when you can't see it, you can just do that. Now percentage means remainder. This is what we're going to learn in operators. 4 more days we need to learn this, which is called arithmetic operators. So you know already 4 of them. So this is what they're called, okay? We're going to learn that after 4 days. Run the code. So it means what's the remainder? So that's the remainder. And now if I want to do here, this means the quotient. What's the quotient? You know what the quotient means. So that's what it means by what's the quotient. So what's the quotient? Yeah. Okay. So thank everyone for listening to my Python class today and watching it. So have a great day and see you. Thank you and bye. And one more thing. When you grow up as a teenager, you can make your own games of Python, right? And you can make millions of dollars from that. So that's why I'm teaching you Python. And plus, it's so fun to learn, right? Yeah. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.